Hello everyone. Today I will be giving you a brief introduction and a how to start using Kanopy. You can access Kanopy from our website, the KCPL from Home site, or via the Kanopy app. Please note that Kanopy is a streaming only service, so you will only be able to access the materials on Kanopy while you have an internet connection. That does include the app. So starting from the KCPL from Home page, we can simply scroll down to our online resources section, and you will find Kanopy over here on the right-hand side. Now, when you get to the KCPL splash page here, you can simply press Add Library Card, and you can type in your card number and your PIN. Now, when you press Continue here, it should ask you to create an account, which you can then fill in the requested information and go from there. We will go ahead and jump ahead with a completed form in just a moment. Okay, now that we have a completed form, we just simply press the Sign Up button here. And it will bring us the Welcome to Kanopy page. Now, Kanopy gives you access to 10 films per month, but we also have unlimited viewing on the Kanopy Kids and the Great Courses collection. You press the Watch Now button. This will bring you back to the Kanopy website. Now, it will ask you to verify your email address. There are some limits without verifying. So to do verify, you just go to your email. You will have an email from Kanopy that looks very much like this, asking you to verify your email address. You press the verify email, and then that will bring us back to the Kanopy website and has confirmed the email address. Now you'll notice on the top right hand side I have the number 10. That tells me how many play credits, or in this case videos I can check out, are still available for this month. These all roll over on the first of the month. You can perform a search of what you were looking for, or you can browse through the collection of films that they have. Usually they will have their newly added materials on the front page, as well as this newly added credit-free viewing. These are videos you can watch for free without using any of your viewing credits. Now, if you find a video that you are interested in, you can simply click on the title. That will bring you to a page, as you can see here, with more information on the material in question, as well as some related videos. If you are interested in watching, you simply press the play button, and the movie should begin playing immediately. Now, if you are curious about Kanopy Kids, on the other hand, if you click on the link here for Go to Kanopy Kids, it will give you the note that you have unlimited access to Kanopy Kids. Again, these do not take your play credits. And if you need to set parental controls to lock somebody into just Kanopy Kids, you would use the parental controls function available here or on the settings section. And again, just like the standard version of Kanopy, you can browse through the movies and TV shows, or you can perform a search up here. When you find a material of interest, you just click on the title, and then you can press play. That concludes the basic introduction to Kanopy. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us through the Kanawha County Library website on the chat service we have available there, or you can reach out to us on our Facebook page. I hope this helps you get started. Enjoy Kanopy.